In the modern world, food production has reached an incredible scale. Millions of sausages are produced every single day in highly automated factories that run almost non-stop. But behind this smooth packaging and perfect shape, there is a long, complex, and highly controlled industrial process. A process that involves science, engineering, food safety, and precision, from live cattle on farms to raw meat processing, to industrial grinding, mixing, stuffing, cooking, and packaging. Every step is designed for one thing: maximum efficiency with strict hygiene control. Today, we are going inside that hidden world. But before we start, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss amazing factory documentaries like this. And if you enjoy this type of content, like the video and comment below what you want to see next. Now, let's begin. Today, we go deeper than ever before, to understand how cow sausages are actually made at industrial scale. Chapter 1. Farm System and Animal Management. The journey begins far away from factories, on large-scale cattle farms. These farms are not random rural setups, they are controlled production systems. Cows are raised under strict monitoring programs where feed quality is scientifically balanced, growth rates are tracked digitally, health conditions are continuously checked, vaccination schedules are strictly followed. Farm managers ensure that animals reach optimal weight and meat quality. This stage directly affects texture of meat, fat distribution, final sausage flavor. Once the animals reach processing age, they are transported using specialized livestock vehicles. These vehicles are designed to reduce stress, maintain ventilation, prevent injury, ensure hygiene compliance. Upon arrival at processing facilities, each animal undergoes final inspection before entering production. Factory Chapter 2. Industrial Slaughter and Primary Processing. Inside the facility, everything is highly regulated. This is a clean, controlled industrial environment. Workers follow strict safety protocols, sanitized uniforms, gloves and masks, restricted movement zones. The slaughter process is done under regulated food laws to ensure minimal contamination, controlled handling, proper drainage systems. After this stage, the carcass enters primary processing lines. Here, skin is removed. Internal organs are separated. Bones are extracted. Fat layers are trimmed. Large stainless steel conveyor systems move meat continuously through different stations. Every section is isolated to avoid cross-contamination. Then meat is washed, chilled, and inspected again. Only approved meat enters the sausage production line. Chapter 3. Precision Cutting and Sorting. Now the meat is divided into specific categories. Not all meat is used equally. Factories separate: lean meat, fatty cuts, connective tissue. High-speed cutting machines and trained workers ensure precision. Why this matters? Because sausage texture depends on exact fat-to-meat ratio. Too much fat oily sausage. Too little fat dry sausage. So industrial sorting ensures perfect balance before grinding. Gear Chapter 4. High-speed grinding system. Now the meat enters industrial grinders. These machines are extremely powerful, capable of processing tons of meat per hour. Inside the grinder, meat is shredded. Fibers are broken down. Fat is evenly distributed. The result is a smooth, uniform meat paste. Temperature control is very important here. Factories often use chilled grinding systems to prevent bacterial growth, texture damage. At this stage, meat is still plain, no flavor added yet. Salt Chapter 5. Scientific Mixing and Formulation. This is where sausage becomes a product. The ground meat enters massive mixing machines. Now ingredients are added with precise measurement: salt, for preservation; spices, for flavor profile; sugar, balanced taste; phosphates, texture stability; ice water, moisture control. Preservatives, shelf life extension. Everything is calculated scientifically. Mixing machines rotate slowly but powerfully, ensuring every gram of meat is evenly flavored. This stage is called emulsion formation. It determines final taste, juiciness, and texture. Hot Dog Chapter 6. Casing and automated forming. Now the meat mixture is ready for shaping. It is pumped into sausage casings using high-pressure machines. Casings can be natural animal intestines, cellulose-based synthetic casings, collagen casings. Machines control size, length, weight, shape, consistency. Then automatic linking systems twist sausages into perfect units. This process is extremely fast. Thousands of sausages per minute can be produced on one line. Robotic arms and sensors ensure uniformity across entire batches. Chapter 7. Thermal cooking and smoking systems. Now sausages enter thermal chambers. These are industrial ovens and smokehouses. Here, sausages undergo steaming, baking, smoking, pasteurization. Temperature is controlled with digital precision. Even a small change can affect texture, moisture, safety level. Smoking adds flavor depth, color enhancement, preservation effect. This is where raw product becomes fully edible food. Snowflake Chapter 8. Rapid cooling and quality control. After cooking, sausages must be cooled immediately. Factories use blast chillers, cold air tunnels, water spray cooling systems. This prevents bacterial growth and locks texture. Then comes inspection phase. Machines and sensors check weight accuracy, shape uniformity, color consistency, moisture level. Human inspectors also perform random sampling. Any defective product is removed instantly. Package Chapter 9. High-speed packaging system. Now sausages move into packaging lines. Fully automated machines arrange sausages. Vacuum seal packs. Inject protective gas, in some cases. Label each pack. Labels include production date, expiry date, batch number, nutritional data. Everything is tracked digitally for food safety compliance. Delivery Truck Chapter 10. Global Distribution Network. Final stage, distribution. Refrigerated trucks carry sausages to supermarkets, fast food chains, hotels, export markets. Cold chain systems ensure temperature is maintained throughout transport. From factory floor to global markets, the product completes its journey. What looks like a simple food item is actually the result of a highly advanced industrial system. A system where science, machinery, and food safety come together. From farms to factories to your plate, every step is engineered for speed, safety, and consistency. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends. And comment below your thoughts. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon, so you never miss future documentaries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Next time you see sausages in a store, you'll know the massive hidden process behind them.